Hey friend! In this video I want to show you something about the general stuff in the administration of Shopware 6. The administration of Shopware 6 is no longer divided into individual windows as you know it from Shopware 5. The central location shows multiple settings in a clean overview now. To avoid having to switch back and forth between the individual menu items, it is now possible to open the administration in several browser tabs. So let's start from top to bottom. On the left side is the menu bar. This is divided into several areas. Above you will first find the information which Shopware version is used. In our case this is 6.4.12.0. Below that are the individual areas in which you can configure Shopware. Here it is possible, for example, to view the orders you have received, manage the customers, and create shopping experiences. Below that, we've got the area with the sales channels. The existing sales channels are listed in the section under sales channels. So in our case, we've got demo and the headless sales channel. You can add more channels by clicking the plus symbol. Also, you can minimize the menu. Minimize menu offers you the possibility to fold the menu to the left edge. So just click on collapse menu and the menu will downsize. If you want to change some settings of your profile, you will find the profile settings at the bottom left. Here you can change the display language of the administration and log out of the administration. So just go under your profile to change some profile information, the profile image, or your password of the admin. In the middle, we have the dashboard. The dashboard is the initial page after you've logged into the administration and offers you a first overview of current topics. First of all, you will get some information regarding current and relevant topics for Shopware 6. In addition, the top link, for example, will take you directly to the Shopware Help Center. With this link, you can learn how to make your first sale and get to know sales channels. In the area to the right, you will have the possibility to give your feedback about Shopware 6. The Give Feedback button will take you directly to the issue tracker. The two statistics always give you an overview of how the number of orders and sales have developed. Using the drop-down menu at the top right, you can specify the time frame for which orders should be displayed to you. The item since yesterday describes all orders since midnight. Now let's have a look at our admin search. The search of the administration is always displayed at the top. You can click on the drop-down to see the searchable modules. For example, products, categories, landing pages, customers, orders, or media. You can activate or deactivate the search for these modules by typing in a hashtag. After that, you can open the search settings. This is down here. For a more detailed search configuration, you can navigate to the profile section under your profile, search preferences. Here you've got a more detailed overview of all the searchable elements. Let's come to the keyboard shortcuts. The keyboard shortcuts allow you to perform frequently used functions more quickly. To get an overview of the available shortcuts, just click on Keyboard Shortcuts. then you will get an overview of the shortcuts for adding items, for the navigation, or special shortcuts. Last but not least, so that you don't miss any important information or updates, we have added a notification center here at the top right.